Okay, today we're talking about replacing the blower belt on a Rheem RTU. Safety first. Remember to turn off the power before servicing a piece of equipment. So here's the old Rheem RTU we'll be servicing today. The power is turned off. I've removed the panel where the blower is. This is a model RKKA-A060DM13E. Here's a closer look at the blower and the belt and pulleys. You can see the belt is old and cracked, needs to be replaced. So there's two bolts you need to loosen, and that'll take up the slack on the belt so you can easily remove it. There's one bolt here, and there's another bolt just off camera. You can see the slot right here where the second bolt is. You can see that gives you some play in the motor, so you can easily remove the old belt and install the new belt. Always check the pulleys, check their condition, check the bearings, make sure everything spins smoothly and quietly. And the size of this belt is an A44. There's a new belt installed. You can see the two bolts now. So you don't want too much slack and slop where your belts are flopping around, but you don't want them too tight either because that's not good for the motor bearings or the bearings up in the blower wheel. So once you get it adjusted where it has a proper amount of tension on the belt, then go ahead and lock in your adjustment by retightening these two bolts. Now gently spin it. It spins nice and smoothly and easily. That's about the amount of deflection you want on your belt. Roughly ½ inch deflection there. And we'll turn it on and test it out. Good to go. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.